Hello friends, today we will see how to go for creating .csv file with multi difficulty levels, just like easy, moderate and difficult questions. So before that I will show you my Excel sheet which is without difficulty level. So you can see, just I will open. So you can see my Excel sheet. This Excel sheet is having no difficulty level. So column number 1 is unit number 1, 2, likewise. Column number 2, it is name of the question, or you can say you can paste the question. Column number 3 is the correct answer of the question. Column number 4, D, which is blank. Then column number 6 is with one wrong answer. Column number 7 and 8 are another wrong answer. So likewise it is Excel sheet of .csv file. So what I will do, I would like to show you the different sheet which is having different difficulty level. So now you can see the Excel sheet in which column A, which contained instead of number 1, that is a 1, E is nothing but the easy, 1 M is nothing but the moderate, and 1D is nothing but the difficult question. So we can rename the questions according to degree of difficulty. So I am going to copy it and I will paste in my first column, so that I can rearrange the questions according to degree of difficulty. So I am doing it. So I am pasting it. So yes, I have pasted. So likewise, same thing I am doing here. My intention is to show how to do a Excel sheet instead of different format. So .csv format is very easy. There is no as such setting is required. So let's see how it is. That is same way, unit number 1, that is 1E, 1M and 1D. Same way unit number 2, 2E, 2M and 2D. Unit number 3, again 1E, 1M and 1D. Likewise we can give the degree of difficulty in our questionnaire. So I will show you how to do copy paste, which is a simple way if you are having a Word document with you. So at that time, how fast you can do it in Excel sheet, so that I would like to show you. So I will open my Word documents, that is Word questionnaire, and I will show you how fast we can do it, the Excel sheet. So that here's it is my Word document questionnaire, and I will going to copy the question first, and I will paste that question in column B. So let's see which question I am going to copy. So it is required very less time for creation of such CSV file, so that with so let's see which question I am going to copy. So here I can say Control C or copy button, and I will going to paste it in column B, which is a column for question. Yes, it is there. Then I will again come to Word document. Now I will paste the correct option for this question, MCQ question. So I know the correct answer, that is B. So I will copy it. I will copy the statement at B, which is the correct option, and I will going to paste it in Excel sheet. So at column C I will paste it. So these are the two columns, question number uh, in B column and answers are in C column. Next column will be blank, column D. Then I will going to paste each wrong answer in respective column. So I will paste uh, wrong answer 1. Again I will come and I will paste correct answer, sorry, wrong answer 2. Control C you can use for copy and Control V you can use for the pasting. So again I am going to paste and I will paste the last option. So that is the last incorrect answer, that is wrong answer. Control C and Control V. So if you look at the duration of pasting one questions from Microsoft Word to Microsoft Excel, it is a less than 1 minute. Okay, so that much it is easy. So this intention of this video is to show you that how easily we can create a .csv file. Okay, so that you can build your questionnaire very easily. So likewise you can do it for rest of the questions. I have intentionally marked red for the wrong questions, so that once we I will paste the correct one, so it will give me. So I am saving with .csv format. So whatever the Excel sheet you will going to create, that you can save it .csv format. So yes, it is there. Yes, it will ask whether this original Excel sheet you want to keep it or not. I can say yes. Everything I can say yes. So this is the way by which we can save our .csv file, and this .csv file we can use to create our multi-choice questions quiz with different degree of difficulty, so that students can feel a different degree of difficulty while solving the questions. So thanks for watching.